How do I make Excel themes visible in shared workbooks? Imagine working on a team project in Excel and noticing that everyone's workbook looks different. You've applied a theme, but it doesn't show up for your colleagues. That can be frustrating, right? Let's find out how to keep your themes visible and consistent when working with shared workbooks. First, it's important to know that Excel themes control the overall look of your workbook by setting colors, fonts, and effects. When you share a workbook with others, especially using the older shared workbook feature, some formatting options like themes might not display properly. This is because the legacy sharing mode limits certain features to keep data safe and allow multiple users to edit at once. The best way to make themes visible in shared workbooks is to avoid using the old shared workbook feature altogether. Instead, use co-authoring with files stored on OneDrive or SharePoint. When you save your workbook to these cloud services, multiple people can work on it at the same time, and all formatting including themes will stay consistent. Everyone will see the same look, and any changes to the theme will update for all users instantly. If you must use the older shared workbook mode, it's better to set your theme before sharing. Changing themes during collaboration may not show up for everyone. So, finalize your theme, save the file, and then share it. Also, reminded your team to use the same version of Excel, preferably Excel 2016 or newer, because older versions might not support all theme features. Keep in mind that shared workbooks can cause display issues with filters and sorting, which can affect how themes look. Using co-authoring reduces these problems because it updates the view for everyone in real time. In summary, the most reliable way to keep your themes visible and consistent in shared workbooks is to switch from the old shared workbook method to modern co-authoring via OneDrive or SharePoint. This approach ensures your formatting stays intact and everyone sees the same professional look. If you need to use the legacy mode, set your theme before sharing and avoid changing it during collaboration. That way, your work presentation remains polished and uniform across all users.